Hey Cooks, we're back with some easy Easter treats for you. Hi, I'm Mr. Hey Cooks, and this channel is about food, cooking, tips and tricks, and more. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and stay tuned for more Hey Cooks. Now the first thing you're gonna need is one box of Funfetti Premium Cupcake Mix. Then you're gonna need 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1, 2, 3 eggs. Then you're gonna need 1 dozen of the mini Canterbury cream eggs. Then you're gonna need some green icing, a mixer and bowl, a cupcake pan, cupcake liners, some measuring cups, and a snack pack, vanilla flavored. Step 1. Get your cupcake pan and line it with the cupcake liners. Before we begin, we want to put our Canterbury cream eggs in the freezer for at least 45 minutes. Then we're gonna add our eggs, water, and oil, and then we're gonna blend away. And then we're gonna add our secret ingredient, 1 snack pack vanilla pudding. Now we're gonna pour in our Funfetti Premium Cake Mix and keep on mixing. Now that the mix is ready, we're gonna use an ice cream scoop to fill the cupcake liners. Now that the liners are full of the cupcake mix, we're going to take those Canterbury cream eggs out of the freezer. Now we're going to put one Canterbury cream egg in each of the cupcake liners. If you have some extra batter, you can top off each of your cupcakes. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Then we're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool. Now we are going to make another treat, a Rice Krispie treat in fact. Make sure to melt your butter on low. Take your favorite Rice Krispie recipe and prepare it such far. You're going to need butter, marshmallows, and of course, some Rice Krispies. You're also going to need some Easter-style M&Ms, some sprinkles, and you're good to go. And once you got everything mixed together, and if you want to go the extra mile, you can use a silicone mold to mold out some fancy shaped Easter egg Rice Krispie bars. Here's a pro tip for you. It doesn't hurt to wear a pair of cooking gloves. And go ahead and take that Pam or spray you got and spray one of your hands so the Rice Krispies doesn't stick to it. And for our next treat, we're going to use a pre-made Pillsbury pie crust. What you want to do is roll it out on your baking mat, take a pizza cutter, and cut it into 4. Then, you're going to take the Canterbury eggs and place them at the end of each section. Then you're going to carefully roll the dough over the Canterbury eggs and roll it up like a crescent roll. Then, we're going to use a fork to map down the edges. After that, we're going to take some melted butter and drizzle some over the top of each one. And of course, make sure you have your oven preheated at 350, and we're going to put these in for another 15 minutes. The next treat is going to require some chocolate of choice. They're called nests. So what you gotta do to quickly melt some chocolate is put some in a microwave safe container and start it at 30 seconds. Check it every 30 seconds by giving it a stir until it's melted. The next thing you want to do is grab your favorite Wheaties. The best method is to put the Wheaties in a Ziploc bag and crush them by hand. Then you're going to take a bowl and pour that chocolate all over your crushed Wheaties. And then once you mix them up and everything's coated, you can take a cupcake pan, line it with cupcake tins, and start filling them. Once they're filled, you can add your M&Ms to the top to make it look like bird nests. Let them set for at least 30 minutes so they'll stay nice and firm. We're going to repeat this process, but with a different ingredient. After you melt your chocolate, you can use some old chow mein noodles. We call these haystacks. Haystack nests is what we're making. So we'll, once again, fill our cupcake tins with the chow mein covered chocolate noodles. Then you're going to want to cover your cupcakes in green icing to make it look like grass. Then you can add some sprinkles and M&Ms to hunt for them M&M Easter eggs, of course. Well, thank you for joining us for this edition of Hey Cooks, an easy Easter treat edition, of course. Well, thank you for watching. and have a happy Easter. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!